In this modern era, you should be making more money from your music. So in this particular episode on Tech with Ninana, I am going to teach you how to distribute your song for free and make more money from it. If it's your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave any questions in the comment box below. This platform I'm talking about is known as RootNote. Yes, RootNote. You can Google the name RootNote or log into www.rootnote.com. With this, you can get access to the site. The site has different plans for musicians and labels as well, so you choose which one that suits your needs. Let's have a look around and then initiate the sign up process. Be with me and let me have your questions. So let's get started now. After clicking get started, you get redirected to the sign up page where we will input our username as you see me doing now. You add your email address and also a suitable password for the account. Mind you, you would have to repeat the account in the second column below the first one. In the process, you will be directed on how to choose a strong password for your account. I enter my password in the first column. Yes, once that is done, I repeat the same password below it. Because it's a strong password, you see the green bar showing. We are not done. We move on to add security questions to your account. So you choose from the questions the suitable one, then you answer it. After that, you can attach a PayPal account to which you will be receiving your funds or earnings from your music. And from there, you tick the boxes and prove to the platform that you are not a robot, as you see me doing now. This is done to make sure that it is a human being that is signing up for the account. So please bear with us. As you wait for it to load, let's use this moment to subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here. Yes, and that's our account that has been created. After creation, you would have to verify the account. So you head into the email that you used. I used my Gmail, so that's where I'm going. From the email received, you click confirm email. Once your account is verified or validated, you log in with the credentials that were given to you. And boom, your account is created. You can now upload your music to all streaming platforms and start earning from it now. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel, Tech with Ninana, for more.